guys, I'm Sneha and welcome back to my channel. So prior to my delivery, I was very confused about what all I need to shop for my baby, what all I need to pack in my hospital bag, etc. This video is specially dedicated to all the new and expectant moms. I'll briefly explain all the essentials that you will need before welcoming your bundle of joy. Let's begin with the segment 1, the bottom wear. I was not very comfortable with diapering as it can cause a lot of adverse effects on the baby's sensitive skin. So I chose cloth nappies during the daytime and diapers only for the nights. I came across super bottoms which offer dry-free lungots. These comes in 3 variants, the printed ones, sweet tooth and daydreamer. The inside materials of all the 3 are buttery soft and feels very dry after 1 pee. Coming to the outside part, the sweet tooth and the daydreamer, the material is very thin and are not leak proof as compared to the printed ones. So I would suggest buy these printed ones for your little ones. Super bottoms also have cloth diapers, that is free size, you know. I didn't personally like it much as I felt it was too heavy and not very comfortable for the baby. They have a free return for this range, so you can still try it out and return it if you didn't like it. So next, moving on to diapers, I've used both Bella Baby Happy diapers and Pampers pants. I felt both are gentle on my baby's skin, but somewhere Bella Baby is of a superior quality than the Pampers pants. So moving on to wet wipes, I've been using this Baby Sense wet wipes. This is paraben free, alcohol free and anti-diaper rash. It has a mild fragrance and it comes with a good packaging. It has this lid which protects the wipes from getting dried. I had received this Mother Splash wet wipes from the hospital. I had completely forgotten about this, and when I found this in my drawer, I used this on my face and instantly fell in love with this one. This is super thick, very soft and alcohol free. This is 99% pure water and very gentle on baby skin. I'm gonna buy this one for my baby once I'm done with the Baby Sense one. Move on to the second segment, the top wear. Newborns find it very difficult to adjust to the outside weather as they're so warm and cozy inside the womb. So they need a lot of layers of clothing. The first layer would be these kind of jablas which are 100% cotton. And the next would be these cute onesies. And you can also pack these caps, booties and these lovely mittens. You can also pack a sweater if the weather is too cold. Babies tend to have motor reflex until the age of 3 months, that is, they get easily startled by external noise or movements. So to minimize this and to make them sleep better, you'll have to wrap them with these kind of swaddles. Yeah. Let's move on to the third segment, bedding essentials. For this, you will need a bed like this one. The baby hug ones are better, they're quite soft. And a bed protector, you'll get this in a bigger size as well. I didn't buy a separate blanket, I used warm shawls for that. Lastly, let's move on to the fourth segment, the bathing essentials. I mainly use Sebamed products, that is Sebamed baby wash, baby lotion and baby powder. For massaging, I use extra virgin coconut oil with 2-3 drops of castor oil. They're quite good for the nourishment of the baby's skin. And lastly, you'll also need some soft baby towels. To wash all these baby clothes, I use Mamaearth laundry detergent or the Mother Splash one. Both are very gentle on the baby's clothes. They can be used for machine wash as well as hand wash, and the clothes come out fresh and clean. That's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See ya!